Side hustles you can start earning with now, up to $1,000 monthly. A side hustle is very important. It can allow you to earn extra money that can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Side hustle can help you save for retirement or pay off student loans. I think everyone should consider side hustle as a means of earning extra income. Here are picks of the best side hustles you can start to do right now. You will make more money with these. Before we dive into the main discussion, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button to receive more of our videos. 1. Create stuff to sell. You can be a little bit creative and start creating unique household items, downloadable materials, and gift items, and sell them online. You can start with Etsy Sellers Shop. Your earning potential is between $500–$800 monthly. 2. Take online surveys. Online survey is one of the ways I make money online. It is a low-paying opportunity. You can at least be earning something extra. Use your spare time and have fun doing surveys. You can start with Swagbix survey. You have potential earnings from $50 to $500. 3. Start a blog. Blogging is my source of income. It is also my favorite side hustle. Starting and growing a blog takes time, but you can start making a good income once you start ranking well on search engines. You can start with Namecheap for domain registration and hosting. You have the potential to earn over $1,000 monthly. 4. Tutoring. If you have a college degree, you are very good at teaching, you can get paid to tutor kids online. Teaching the English language online is one of the hottest growing areas now. You can start with VidKid or GogaKid. You have the potential of making over $400 per month. 5. Rent out your car. If you have a car that you don't use often, you can rent it out to others. Renting out your car will generate a passive income for you if you manage it well. You can start with Turo or Maven. You have the potential to earn between $600–$1,000 monthly. 6. Buy and resell stuff. Due to improvements in technology, you can search for stuff on Craigslist and get some things to resell. You can resell your stuff on eBay or Amazon. You have the potential to earn over $1,000 per month. 7. Online freelancing. There are a variety of things you can do to make money online freelancing. If you can edit videos, read, write programs, design websites, make voiceover, and so on, you will make money freelancing online. You can start with Proofread Anywhere, Bookkeepers, Transcribe Anywhere, $10 KVI. You have the potential to earn over $5,000–$10,000 per month. 8. Ride sharing. Lots of people are talking about ride sharing. Some people love it while some people don't. With ride sharing, you can earn when you want, on your terms, and anytime. You can start with Uber or Lyft. You have the potential to earn over $1,000 per month. 9. Food and groceries delivery. Food delivery has become one of the fastest growing trends in the world. The only drawback you may encounter is not being able to do it all time. You can start with Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, Postmates. You have the potential to earn between $600–$1,000 per month. 10. List your own house. You can as well list your house, room, garage, or any other space you might have somewhere. You can also rent out your backyard for a camping location. You can start with Airbnb or Booking.com. You have the potential to earn over $1,000